How to create a stroke text animation in After Effects. This is a really nice and clean effect to use for things like title at the beginning of the video or just for a nice edit. But how do you make this effect? Let's dive right into the video. Okay, first we need to create text. Use the type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Then click on the preview screen and type the text you want. If you want the text centered, you can easily do that using the Align tool. In the character panel, you can change the size of the text. Okay, cool. Now we need to make the text a shape. Left click on the text layer, go to create and then select create shapes from text. Awesome. Now we need to go back to the selection tool. Use the shortcut V to return to the selection tool. Now change the fill to none. And the stroke to solid color. Also, adjust the thickness of the line by dragging the value here to get a bigger line. Now expand the shape layer, click on add and select trim pads. Expand trim pads, set the value of end to 0 and create a keyframe for end at the beginning. Go a little bit further in the timeline for the desired duration of the effect. Select all the keyframes and make them easy ease by using the shortcut F9. Then go to the graph editor and follow my graph, replicating the same adjustments. There we go, now you have created a nice stroke text animation. You can even make it colorful by adding the gradient ramp plugin and apply some glow for an extra touch. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.